Wilgen's grown Limelight Hydrangea tree. Not only our plant of the week, but an excellent friend for your garden and a great companion plant. Before I start talking about which plants the Limelight Hydrangea tree goes so well with, I do want to focus on it because it is our plant of the week. All right, the Limelight Hydrangea tree is a magnificent little tree. Only gets about 8 feet tall and 8 feet wide. But the thing that is so awesome about it, for such a little tree, it gets these gigantic blooms. The blooms start in midsummer. They start kind of this citrusy white tone, then they turn to bright white into this very deep pink all the way into the fall. It makes an excellent cut plant, so you can cut the flowers, bring them in as a bouquet, and you can dry them, and they'll last forever. The other thing that I love about this Limelight Hydrangea tree is that it loves full sun into part shade. So now we need to keep that in mind when we're picking out plants that go with it. We want to pick like-minded plants. And here I think we have a really nice little garden oasis set up that I think you would really enjoy in your own yard. Here we have it paired with Perennial Karley rose. I love these kind of purpley fronds. I think that they will go so nicely with the Limelight Hydrangea tree as it turns that deep pink into the fall. Then we come here, and this is really one of my favorite roses. Actually, these are peach and apricot drift roses. They are such reliable bloomers, just like the Limelight Hydrangea tree, a super reliable bloomer. Then we've got these little piglet grasses, and then of course our little blue fescue grasses. All of these are plants that love full sun, very reliable, can handle the heat, and they look excellent with our friend, the Limelight Hydrangea tree. However, if this is really not the look for you, let's say you don't like peach or pink, or you don't like roses, I'm going to show you another look, so stick around. Okay, so now we have a completely different look that also pairs so nicely with our plant of the week. The Limelight Hydrangea tree is so versatile, and this is one of the things that we love about it so much. So here we have gorgeous purple Russian sage, which is going to bloom all the way from summer into the fall, just like the Limelight Hydrangea tree. And then we also have this gorgeous Zagreb Coreopsis, a whole nother look, still beautiful. You could create your own little garden oasis with our great plant of the week, the Van Wilgen's grown Limelight Hydrangea tree, a great friend for your garden. Thanks a bunch. We'll see you next time.